Welcome to FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, your trusted choice for local roof replacement contractor in Lexington, Massachusetts. In Lexington, Massachusetts, where excellent public schools and a highly educated community are celebrated, we understand the value of a strong, reliable roof. Lexington's strong sense of community is something we share as we prioritize your safety and comfort. Investing in a new roof with us protects your home and aligns with Lexington's residents' values. Our dedicated team ensures your roof is as dependable as the education offered in Lexington. Just as Lexington boasts a diverse range of amenities, we offer various roofing solutions tailored to your needs. When you need a reliable roof, we've got you covered so you can relax and enjoy the outdoors in Lexington's beautiful parks. To schedule your consultation, call us at 781-322-6252 to discuss your roofing needs. Visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington to learn more about our services. We're not just installing roofs, we're protecting your investment in the vibrant community of Lexington. Don't let an aging roof compromise your home's safety and comfort. Choose us for professional care. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're dedicated to exceeding your expectations. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, your Lexington roofing experts, aligning with community values, one roof at a time. Protecting your home, enhancing your community.